Their skin. Their flesh. Their milk. Their lives. It's wrong. Stealing their children away so that we can drink their milk is wrong. All animals are equal. We all feel pain. We all can suffer. We all love our children. And we all deserve the basic right to live and to be free. It's not food.
It's violence.
It's not entertainment.
It's violence.
It's not food.
It's violence.
It's not entertainment.
It's violence.
The animals need us to speak up for their right to be free. More. They deserve to live and to be free, just like us. Our having two legs and belonging to the species Homo sapiens is not equal. And we all deserve basic respect of not being objectified by those more power than us. Exploiting and killing animals, forcing them to parade through the streets is nothing short.
There's no love for animals here. Human or non-human animals. You're stealing food from children's mouths when you eat animals.
Let's eat person.